Decimals. In year 7 you've done a good study of decimals, so just a quick reminder of what it is. Deci comes from the word, a Latin word decim, which means 10. So what we have, and the reason we want to use it, if we have numbers such as, and we want to compare 4 and 1/11 and 3 and 5/6 and 3.3, if we want to order all of these in biggest to largest, the largest to smallest, or whatever order we want, it will become pretty hard to organize them because we'll have to get a common denominator, etc., etc. And if you want to compare these fractions, it's really going to be pretty hard. So what we got is a system where we write it in terms of tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. An example of a decimal number will be something like 517.364. So what this means is whole numbers is 517. Then we have 3 tenths, 3 over 10, 3 tenths. We have 6 hundredths, and we have 4 thousandths. Or, if I add this up, I've got 364. I've got 364 1,000ths. And that is what the decimal is. Taking one of these values, breaking them up so this gives us a denominator of 1,000. Now this might cause some issues, and that's why we have to study them further. Things like, what if you can't get a whole number here? But we will look at that at the later stage. What you need to know is what the decimal is and what this means. If I want to compare to see which numbers are the biggest, a tenth is bigger than a hundredth. Right, so 1/10 is greater than 1/100th. If I cut the pizza into 10 pieces, that one piece is going to be bigger than one piece if I cut the whole pizza into hundredths or 100 pieces. So when we look at order and to see which number is the biggest, we're going to do it almost like you do when you see the alphabetical order. We start at the left and we read it, and as we go from the numbers, the greatest one, the soonest, will be the greatest. Look at the next video on comparing decimals if you want to know exactly how to do that.